here's how to create an input field with an icon that overlays it using the new responsive engine. So here's my example, and I'm going to build up another one that uses the password field. So I have a group, and I have an input, and I have an icon. So let's build those up. First of all, I need to put in a new group, and this is going to be aligned to parent, and you'll see why in a moment. Give it 100% width, and then I just need enough height to work with. There we go. And then inside, I'm going to place my input, and my input is going to be centered, but I want to take up the whole space of the group, so it's going to be 100% there, and let's try 100% here. There we go. And the reason for using align to parent is that allows me to control where my icon sits. So if I draw my icon in there, so this is password, so we need like a lock. And I'm just going to make it square. Well, that's a little bit too big. Let's go down to 24. Better. Okay, and so I can now control where my icon goes. A few more steps, as you can probably notice. So let's put the icon on the left. And yeah, not perfect because it overlaps the text, which we don't want. And also it's a little bit too close to the left-hand side. So on the icon, I'm going to give it a margin to the left of, say, 12. And then in order to stop the text from appearing below the icon, I have to edit the style and increase the horizontal padding. Okay, 30 wasn't quite enough. Let's go 40, and preview that. Okay, so it's jumping because I built it using the default standard input style, and that has got a conditional statement. There we go. That takes away, well, it reduces from the 30 figure the horizontal padding. So if I remove those, let's try again. Okay. You can see now that I have got my icon, I've got my text input. Now, here I'm going to illustrate a bit of a shortfalling of this technique, because if I was to just imagine I'm inserting a lot of text, currently with the input field, the horizontal padding applies to the both the left and the right hand edge. So I'd say ideally I'd want the right hand edge to say go up to here, but because I've applied a 30 pixel padding, it's 30 pixels here and 30 pixels there. But if you're happy with that, then this is a really quick way to achieve the look where you have an icon within an input field.